All right. Hi, everybody. Say hi. Say hi.
Hi.
Say hi. Oh, there's Kyleigh. How about like this? There you go. So hi, everybody. We are at Kyleigh's house. She's got me. Where do you want me to be? So here's Kyleigh. Say hi, Kyleigh. And Christine. Hi, Christine. Hi. Kylie's very excited because I'm going to turn this around so you guys can see. She has 2 new buttons. Can you show me your new buttons on her device? She's using her eye gaze to do this. And so you have 2 new buttons. I'm just going to point first. This one has a green door, and that one has a red door. And before you pick one, which has to be the red one, let me back up and kind of show this way. All right. Can you close the door for me, Kyleigh? Look at that.
Boom.
Boom. No hands, via the eyes. So then here, I'll watch this way this time. All right, so whenever you're ready, you got to wait for it to close. All right, can you open it again for me? A little bit left. Did you hit it?
I know.
I know, you're awfully excited. There you go. Now you can move. There you go. Hey, look at the door. That's kind of awesome. All right, so let's take a look at this. So look, this old girl is very happy because she can close her damn door and keep her mom out, right? Did you let your sister in? Yeah, and your dad and your mom. Very awesome. All right.
Locked us in.
And then locked us in. Wouldn't let us leave. Very good. All right. So I'm gonna give them the tour. When I ask you to, you can drive this again. So let's talk about what we did. And by the way, this is mostly due to Jim and Ryan Olson.
Thank you.
Say thank you. Say thank you.
Thank you.
All right, good. All right. So the way this works is there's actually a motor from the FTC kit. It's a I think I actually got this one on Amazon, but it's the same size as the one that comes from the FTC club stuff, and it's on this side of the door. And there's we will do better on the cable management in a little bit. We have a brain over here, and what this thing does is it actually keeps track of where the door is, whether it's open or not. And then inside of that is a little feather, a Wi-Fi feather, that basically puts this on their network. And that means that lots of different devices on their internet can open and close the door. In this case, you close the door again, please, dear. Just by looking at the right one. Hey, look at that. Here's our door. You'll see that the motor closes the door. Calibrated open and close here. So when it gets closed, it stops perfectly. We did put a little stopper up here so it wouldn't go too far. But I'm gonna cheat a little bit. I'm gonna open the door. You'll see that you can actually slide this just fine. And can you close the door for me again? Because it uses that potentiometer, even if it's not opened by the remote, it can still close the door, which is really, really cool.